Welcome again back to Crypto Jet. Holders, shillers, and my fellow crypto degenerates. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best crypto news, insights, and of course, my beautiful voice. Now, let's dive in straight into Ripple or XRP, which is the coin of the day that we're going to be talking about. Now, a little bit of a background on this coin. It's actually having a case in court against the SEC at this moment right now. And the case is basically because the SEC wants Ripple, or actually doesn't like that Ripple did not register itself as a security upon, registration. So basically, what happened is that Ripple and the SEC are in court right now, and it's actually going to be a large thing for cryptocurrencies once this concludes, because if Ripple wins the case, then they're able to call every single cryptocurrency a security, and Ripple is just the first of the kind that they're doing it on. And if they win one case, they're going to win them all. So it's going to introduce more regulation to the crypto market, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but that's just something that could be expected. And for the time being, it does not look like Ripple will win this case. So the current price is at $0.92. The market cap sitting at 43 billion, and it's the sixth coin in the world at this moment. So the fully diluted market cap means if all of these coins were actually in supply, we would have a market cap of 90 billion. Now, very quickly, you can buy this coin on all of the largest exchanges, except of course Coinbase, because they're American and the SEC is also American, and you know the drill. So moving on to the Twitter, you can see that you can instantly move money to all corners of the world. So Ripple is actually a payment-centered cryptocurrency, and that's their main thing, right? They're just trying to make a nice payment method that will be a little bit different and a little bit more efficient than the traditional payment method or fiat. Now, a lot of interesting things, a lot of retweets on cryptocurrencies versus paper money, who will take the title. They're having some sort of sustainability challenge, which is a nice thing. I like to see that, especially in this world filled with a lot of waste, a lot of people not really caring about the environment, and women in blockchain empowerment, sustainability, even more about that in the fintech industry, exactly. And I like to see things like these, So nice little Twitter page, a lot of followers. If you want to follow us on Twitter as well, CryptoJet, YouTube. So let's move on to the actual project, which is the Ripple's website. So the main three selling points of Ripple's infrastructure is actually that it's completely decentralized, and it takes just above 3 seconds to send a payment. Now, it's easy to message via Ripple's ecosystem, and it's very transparent, which I'm not really sure what it means. And liquidity solutions, so they have liquidity available for anyone on demand. Now, if we move a little bit more down, you can see a little bit of Santander. This is a big firm in the world. They're talking about how Ripple helped them address the issues of speed and transactions and transparency around international payments. And then you have another firm. We're not really going to talk about this. RippleX, it's another project of theirs. And if you scroll down, you can actually join the network. You can learn a bit more, etc. But my favorite part of the video, which is the technicals, let's take a look at the chart. So we have this nice little price floor, this double bottom that formed in the biggest retracement of this year around July 2021. So price came down, sellers were dominant, and then at this point, buyers took over, pushing it a bit up, hit a resistance, came back down, buyers became dominant again, and entering another bull run stage. So currently, the price is almost at $1 level, and we're actually retracing healthily into the fib retracement levels. Now, something I wanted to point out to you is if you go in the log chart, you can actually notice that there is a nice trend line forming, exactly coinciding with this 61% Fibonacci retracement level. So I would be looking at this sort of zone before entering any sort of long position on this coin. So it could be at the 61 exactly, which is actually sitting at right at this point, or we could actually make a little bit more of a retracement down into this zone of hard and strong support before continuing to move up and making a higher low, higher high, and then continuing with the uptrend. Now, moving back onto the normal chart, something that did happen some time ago was a nice, almost a perfect bull flag pattern. So it was this, and the price actually broke out, started moving bullish. I actually took a short-term long position on this trade, but very quickly we got some major profit taking starting to happen in the market, which is usual considering the amount of upwards movement without any significant retracement. And yeah, the prices just came back down, but right now where we're sitting at is the actual normal. So this is a good spot for cryptocurrencies to be in. Now, that would be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see something new in the future. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Until we meet again, hodl for dear life, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.